How to fix phone link error 0x80048823 in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be facing this error message when trying to log into phone link app. Follow the steps to fix it. First of all, modify Microsoft Account Sign-in Assistant service. For this, click on Search, type Services, click on Services. Look for Microsoft Account Sign-in Assistant service. This one. Right click on this service. Select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic if it is not automatic, and click on Apply. If the service is stopped, Start would be highlighted. Click on Start. Otherwise, leave it as it is. Click on OK. Right click on Microsoft Account Sign-in Assistant and select Restart. Once done, close the services window and try to sign into the phone link app. The next method you can try is Reset Phone Link app. For this, right click on Start, select Installed Apps, look for Phone Link, type phone in the search bar. The phone link app is not showing in the installed apps section. Go to the system components section. Here is phone link. For phone link, click on 3 dots and select advanced options. Click on terminate to kill the process of phone link. Then click on repair. Then click on reset. Again reset. Once done, close the settings app and restart your computer. Then try to sign into the phone link. If the issue still persists, uninstall and reinstall phone link app. To uninstall the phone link app, click on search, type PowerShell. For Windows PowerShell, click on Run as Administrator. Now go to the video description to find some commands to uninstall the phone link. This is the command you will find in the video description. Copy the command and paste into the PowerShell. Phone link app is removed. Once uninstalled, close the PowerShell and close other running tasks and restart your computer. After restarting, again open PowerShell as administrator and go to the video description and run this command. Copy this command, paste into the PowerShell and press enter. Again installed. You can check phone link is shown in the search result. Now try to sign in again. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.